Hello and welcome to your 14th Java tutorial. In this tutorial we will be learning more about using multiple classes and about the static keyword. So also, if you see this video, can you please refer my videos to a friend, because I'm having trouble getting views and it would be greatly appreciated. So I have my main class and I made a new class called dog. So the dog is going to have three variables. They'll be public. So one will be weight. We'll have the dog also have something called height, and we will have it have this should be ints. No, I don't want updates. Yes, I'm sure I want to exit. So they have those two variables, and they're going to have a public static int called number. So this integer will obviously store the weight of the dog, and this will store the height of the dog, but this will store how many dogs there are. So now we're going to make some methods. So when you create the dog class, we want it to do some stuff. So we're going to go public dog, which is the name of our constructor, public, then the name of your class, which in this case is dog, and they're going to need to enter in two things. They're going to need to enter in an integer that's going to become the height and an integer that's going to become the weight. So now what we're going to do is set weight equals W and height equals H. So that way we set the weight and height to the things they enter. So now that we've done that, we also want to add one to the number. So number plus plus, and that adds one to our number variable. And the thing with this number variable is if it was just a normal variable, each dog would have a number, and it would have a number would become 1 when you created it. But since it's a static has a static keyword, that means that all of the different objects in the class of dog can access this numbers variable, and it is for all of them. It's the same. So it's one variable that basically has connections to all of the different classes. So now we're going to have a quick thing that's going to say a quick class is going to return an integer, and it's going to say get number. Get number. And it's not going to take any parameters. And what it's going to do is it's going to return number. So that's all we need to do in this class. So what we're going to do is we're going to make 3 dog objects. So dog, I'll call it dog1 equals new dog, and it's going to have a height of 5 and a weight. No, it's going to have a height of 3 feet and a weight of 60 pounds. So I'm going to make dog1, and then we're going to go dog1 dot get number. So it's going to return the number for dog1. Now I'm just going to copy this and paste it twice. And we're going to change it to 4 and 65 and 1 and 8. I'm sorry if there's some background noise. I can't really help it. I've got some people doing this. So we're going to make dog 2 and dog 3, dog 2 and dog 3. Now, if this number were not static, ignoring the static variable, what it would do is each dog would have its number. The first dog would get created, and its number would become 1. It would add 1 to 0, and it would become 1. And then it would return 1. and it would do the same thing with the next dog and the same thing with the next dog. So it would print out 1, 1, 1 on the screen. Sorry, I just missed something. We need to print out this, so yeah, sorry about that. I'm just gonna copy this, paste that, and here. So there. Now we're gonna print it out, and it should be 1, 1, 1. But when we run it, it gives us 1, 2, 3. The reason for that is this number is a shared variable. That means when the first dog gets created, well, when you compile a script, it makes this variable. This variable is not a variable of an object. It's a variable of a class. This class has this variable, and it changes whenever a new object gets created. And that's basically what static is. It's got some more complicated uses, but that's pretty much it that you're going to need for most applications. So that's it for this tutorial, and like I said, please tell your friends about this. I really need more views because I'm kind of in a view slump right now. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.